Okay, bye.
Hello everybody. I did earlier just try and record a video exactly like this, but its FPS was -1, so I scrapped it. It kind of was though. It kept on pausing every second. Set that video to private just in case this one goes wrong as well. I really hope it doesn't. I've got 11 gig free now, so it shouldn't pause as much. And so this is Chainsaw Man. But this time I don't get bullied. I do the bullying. So, there is going to be a maximum of 12 kills, and minimum is going to be 10. My own deaths don't count. So, first kill. Once this kill is done, the montage shall start. Doesn't matter whether it's my own kill. And the montage starts now.
We cannot be judged for what we dream for. Venom seeping in through the lies and all the sweet talk. Living in a world I can't handle all the G-force. Lost amongst the ways and it's been ages since I've seen shore. There's no turning back once a decision has been made. Every price will have a price, it's just equivalent exchange. I've been grateful for the chance to live on minimum a day. And I've been working like a pig like this is spirited away. I've been digging my own grave, now the devil is a part of me. Whipping throughout my arteries, every piece like a therapy. I know how the ghost of a body can make it hard to breathe. The engine noise and orchestra of eternal harmonies. I rip the chord, I've been a fit the one. This life is simple, but we swinging swords that don't be given one until I hit the floor. Till I hit the floor, standing at the brink of war. Never stop the question, what the fuck we're even living for.
Even in death, we cannot lose ourselves with every breath. I'll see you all in hell, never forget. All of this pain I felt and all that is left is not but the hand we're dealt. And I'm lost in the night, looking deep in the eyes, see a man that I used to be. But I'm not satisfied, I don't care about this life, but I find out I dare to dream. And I'm losing my mind as I look at the time, cause I'm scared that it's out of reach. And I'm lost in the night, see a dream go to die, cause I know that it's not for me.
Overclocking, I can feel it in my body. When pain can lead to pleasure, I've been worrying a dichotomy. They come for me like visions, keep announcing what I wanna be. I'm breaking out my prison cause I literally got that dog in me. Split him in divisions, they sorted like there's a survey. Sick him on a mission, cause shorter than using curse face. This is what I'm giving, the order's another word day. I've been living wishing to score him and get to first base. Don't know how to cry when bodies dropping, I've been feeling empty. Lost the will to die, the gates of hell are always free for entry. Never wondered why I see their faces and I'm cream with envy. Nothing on my mind, I'm ripping through them like a feeding frenzy. Now I'm on the main course, cutting off the path like I've been tearing through an A4. Marking where and leaving stained floors when I wage war. This is what you came for, tearing through the bodies like a motherfucking chainsaw.
And I'm lost in the night, looking deep in the eyes, see the man that I used to be. But I'm not satisfied, I don't care about this life, but I find that I dare to dream. And I'm losing my mind as I look at the time, cause I'm scared that it's out of reach. And I'm lost in the night, see a dream go to die, cause I know that it's not for me.
Rev it up, bring my way for the flesh and blood. Rev it up, spin the chain, I can get enough. Rev it up, have a plan with the devil's love. Rev it up, let our dreams all envelop us. Rev it up, put the cord and you'll get in cuffs. Rev it up, I'm not dying till I get a touch. Rev it up, you ain't never gonna measure up. Rev it up, hear the sound when I rev it up.
Even in death, we cannot lose ourselves with every breath.
With every breath,
I'll see you all in hell, never forget.
never forget.
All of this pain I felt and all that is left.
All that is left
is not but the hand we're dealt. And I'm lost in the night, looking
And that
deep in the eyes,
is
see
the
the man that I used to be.
this video. So, one montage I died 5 times, which is too much in my opinion. 5 times and like 2 kills of other people. So. And so, yeah. That's mostly it. I think I died like 3 times in this, but then again I did get 2v1 3 times and also hybrids, like, yeah. Don't know how many times I died. 6 times. But I did kill like 13 or 14 people, I think. Nope, 17. I lost count. It's because I haven't edited this yet. I've died quite a bit though. Fine. Yeah, that's mostly it. Have a great day, and I will see all you guys later.